Hello friends, you're watching CryptoFacts channel. My name is Samir and I'm a crypto expert who's been studying Ethereum for over 10 years now. In this video we are going to talk about something very interesting, how you can receive hidden rewards just being Ethereum holder. So, yes, that's right. It might be sound surprising, but it's absolutely true. To be honest, I didn't know about this myself before. I used to grow my Ethereum balance through staking, or more specifically through liquid staking. So yeah guys, that's actually what got me curious. I started wondering, am I eligible for any staking rewards just by holding Ethereum on my wallet? And it turns out the answer is yes. I also went to the official Ethereum website, and by the way, I really recommend it. If you want to understand Ethereum technologies, start with staking, or just to know how the network works, the official website ethereum.org is perfect place to begin. It has detailed documentation, beginner-friendly explanation, and even a rewards calculator. And here what caught my attention. While going through one of the foundation topics, I found something interesting. It was right there. And there is buried in the middle of all the numbers, formulas, and reward logic, I found something surprising. A mention of the platform that Ethereum itself recommends. Let me just find out. Let's scroll a little bit more down. And yes guys, here is it. If you carefully take a look of what it says, you will see the name of the platform. Actually, this platform helps you to check if your wallet is eligible for staking reward. There is no registration, no complicated setup, and no private keys needed. It's just a simple reward check. That's it. All you need to do is enter your Ethereum wallet address and click on check button. And in just few seconds, it will show your result. So let's give it a try. I'm using MetaMask, so I will go ahead and copy my Ethereum address. Okay, now I will paste it into this field. And let's wait for a moment. The site even has a dark mode and supports multiple languages. It's pretty cool though. Alright friends, as you can see, I don't have any rewards available, probably because I didn't use this wallet actively enough. But you can try checking yours. And if rewards are available, just connect your wallet and claim them. See you in my next video. Take care and goodbye.